Hello, everyone, and welcome to another segment of Teach Yourself Maths. This time around, we'll be looking at Chapter 5 Multiply with two digit numbers. Starting with Lesson 1 Multiply by tens. Okay, so let's take a look at a very quick example. Let's say you have 2 times 10. This is very easy to do. All you have to do in this case is take this 2, multiply it with this 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And remember to put the 0 at the back of 10 in your final result. So the answer is 20. 2 times 10 is 20. Let's move a step further. What if we have two digits like this? 21 times 10. In this case, what you do, take the whole of this 21 first, use it to multiply this 1. And 21 times 1, any number multiplies 1 will give you that number. So it's still going to be 21. Don't forget to put the remaining 0. And your answer is 210. Or by way of explanation, what was done here is to say if you want to multiply 23 by, let's say, 10, the first thing you do is the ones place value, which is 0, will be used to multiply the whole number 23. And the tens place value, which is 1, will also be used to multiply 23. So taking that turn, when 23 multiplies 0, any number multiplies 0 will give you 0. So you write the 0 first in the ones place. Then the next is 23 multiplies 1 in the tens place, which will also give you 23. The answer, 230. So this is the technique of multiplying by tens. Let's take a look at this example 1 now. Example 1. Miss Sumaya took 20 pictures at the zoo. She printed the pictures so that each of our 25 students could have a copy. How many pictures did Miss Sumaya print? So we have these 20. These are the key points there. Miss Sumaya took 20 pictures. So you're going to have 20 multiply because of this each. So each of our 25 students. So one student took 20 pictures. So for 25 students, it's going to be the product of these two. So that's why we have 25 times 20. And let's use this another way method first to solve this 25 times 20. So it's good to put the number that ends with 0 will be down while the other number is up. So we have 25 times 20. Remember, in the intro, we said you use the whole of this 25 to multiply the ones place value first, which is 0, and 25 times 0 is 0. Next, you use the 25 to multiply the tens place value, which is 2, so you do 25 times 2, and that's going to give you 50. So when you do that, you write it in the tens. The last digits will be in the tens place because you multiply with the tens place digits. So the last digit 0 is written at the tens place, okay? While in the ones place value, we already got 0 in step 1, okay? So for these two, multiply the tens, it is 50 tens and 0 ones. So your final answer is 500. So let's consider this one way just to reaffirm that our answer is correct. One way, 25 times 20, we can separate 20 into the product of 2 times 10. And now we can place the 2 and the 10 here. Combining 25 and 2 first, which was what was done here, then multiply by this 10. 25 times 2 is 50. Then we have times 10. Remember, 50 multiplies 1, 50. And we have this 0 to put it here. You get your 500. Quite easy. Alright, so this is what it's all about. Very easy to do. So all you have to do is to practice, solve more questions for better understanding. So let's look at another example. Example 2. In this case, we want to, reading the question says, an electronics store has 30 digital music players in stock that cost 99 AED each. So don't forget your keywords here, each. We have 30 and the cost of each is 99. So to find how much the digital music player cost altogether, we have to multiply 30 and 99. So remember, the first thing to do, multiply your 99 by the ones place number, which is 0. 99 times 0 is going to give you 0. Then the next thing is multiply your 99 by the tens place digit, which is 3. 99 times 3. So you can do this as you've learned before. This 3 multiplies 9, that gives you 27. You write the last digit 7 down, and the ones digit, the tens digit goes up 2. You do again 3 times 9, 27. This time around you add the 2 up. 27 plus 2 will give you 29. So we have 29. The 7, which is the last number here, we correspond to the tens place. We correspond to the tens place digits place, which is 7 at the tens place, because you multiply with the tens place value. So 7, 9, and 2. While the last digit remains the one of the ones place that we multiply, which is 0. So your final answer is 2970. 2970. So this is it. So I wanted to pause the video and give these questions a try, and at the end of the day you can cross-check to see if you are correct. But quite easy to do. For number 1, all we have to do, take the whole of this 36 now. Let's multiply with the ones place digit value, which is 0. 36 times 0 is 0. Next, 36 we multiply the 1. 36 times 1 is 36. Final answer, 360. Next, also question number 2. 53 multiplies the ones place digits 0. 53 times 0 is 0. Next, 53 multiplies 3. If you cannot get the answer straight away, write it out and do it. So 3 times 3, 9. And 3 times 5, 15. So that gives you 159. So final answer, 1590. Number 3. 42 multiplies 0, 0. 42 multiplies 2, 42 multiplies 2. Your 2 here multiplies the ones place, 2 times 2, 4. It multiplies the tens place, 2 times 4, 8, 84. 840. Final answer. And lastly, question number 4. 64 multiplies 0, 0. Then 64 multiplies 4 in the tens place. So we multiply by doing 4 times 4, 16, 6 down, 1 up. 4 times 6, 24, plus 1, 25. That is 256 tens. So final answer, 2560. Okay guys, so you can pause the video and look at the technique again and try to multiply as many as possible numbers together. Take care and see you in chapter 5, lesson 2.